Thinking about applying for a mortgage but not sure where to start? One of the first steps is gathering the right documents. It might sound overwhelming, but I'm here to break it down for you so you know exactly what to prepare. Let's dive into the key documents you'll need to apply for a mortgage. 1. Proof of income. Lenders want to know how much money you're making to ensure you can afford your monthly payments. Here's what they'll ask for. Pay stubs. Your 2 most recent pay stubs. Tax returns. Typically, your last 2 years of tax returns. W-2 forms from the past 2 years. Self-employed. If you're self-employed, you'll need additional documents like profit and loss statements or 1099 forms. 2. Proof of assets. Lenders also need to see what savings and assets you have, as these may be used for your down payment or as a financial safety net. Be ready to provide. Bank statements. Your last 2 to 3 months of bank statements for all accounts. Investment accounts. Statements from any retirement or investment accounts. Gift letters. If a family member is gifting you money for your down payment, you'll need a signed letter explaining it's a gift, not a loan. 3. Credit information. Your credit score plays a big role in your mortgage approval, so lenders will pull your credit report. You don't need to provide this yourself, but be ready to answer questions about your debt, such as credit cards, car loans, or student loans, any late payments, collections, or other credit issues they might find. 4. Proof of identity. To confirm who you are, you'll need to provide government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Social Security number. Your SSN will be used to verify your credit and employment history. 5. Property information, once you find a home. If you've already made an offer on a home, the lender will need the purchase agreement. This is the signed contract between you and the seller. Homeowner's insurance info. Proof that you have homeowner's insurance lined up. Why does this matter? Providing these documents up front helps streamline the mortgage approval process. The more organized you are, the smoother things will go, and the closer you'll be to owning your dream home. We're here to help. I know this can feel like a lot, but you don't have to do it alone. I've partnered with Matthew Scalise at Real Mortgage, and together we'll guide you through the process step by step. We'll make sure you're prepared, confident, and ready to move forward. Let's get started. Ready to start gathering your documents or have questions about the process? Let's connect. With the right guidance, applying for a mortgage can be simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you every step of the way.